अब हैं हम लूव म्यूज़ियम पे। ये है फेमस पिरामिड। इसके अंदर जाना बहुत टाइम से मैं जाना चाह रहा था, आज तक नहीं गया हूँ, आज पहली बार जाऊँगा।
इसका जो ये है ना मिस्ट्री जो है,
हाँ
वो मैं बहुत देर से सॉल्व करना चाहती हूँ।
जी हाँ।
Nobody knows how many ये जो है ना डायमंड्स कितने हैं, and then they say 666।
तो अब हम यहाँ पर अंदर जाएंगे, हमने पास ले रखा है एंड बहुत लंबी लाइन है। तुम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ पर फेमस पेंटिंग ऑफ मोनालिसा।
So yeah, we've just started our walkthrough now, and I can't wait to see the Mona Lisa. So let's go. We are inside of the Opera House here in Paris, and oh my god, the opulence, the architecture, it is mind-blowing. Trust me, this is one place that you definitely cannot miss when you're in Paris. Oh my god, seriously, it's beyond words, beyond words. Hey guys, I'm at the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Paris right now, and you can see it right there behind me. This is a beautiful church. It's 100 years old, and it's in this beautiful, quaint little village. And you have to climb up quite a few flights of stairs to see this beautiful architectural marvel. But it's definitely worth it. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful, and it is dedicated to the Lord Jesus Christ. And if you're ever in Paris, I would highly recommend that you climb up those couple hundred stairs and come see this beautiful church. Okay guys, so this concludes my Paris vlog, and thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed being here and filming it for you guys. And just a friendly reminder, if you haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you aren't already following me on social media, please feel free to do so. You can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So I'll see you again in my next vlog, and I love you all. Bye.